Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Hey, I'm telling you, Jamaica is in a pickle right now. Most Jamaicans, especially most Jamaicans, and the ones that we are appealing to, there are only two kinds of Jamaican that we at the Jamaica Young Police channel are appealing to. The ones who are sane, the ones who are critical thinkers, the ones who are decent, honest, and law-abiding citizens. Right now, Jamaicans don't even know, that you see the Maroons, they are still our enemies, Yeah, you see that guy in the middle, that guy named Richard Currie, yes. Buju Banton, Mark, Baby Chump Golden, Vybz Kartel. All of these people are enemies of Jamaican people. All of these people, they are British, they are part of the British Empire. We don't realize, most of them don't know. So we're not talking to the PMP criminal organization supporters because you can't talk to people with licky. Any people in the world where we take $100 and demonstrate against their own country, you can't, there's no looking to them for anything when you have common sense. Those people are traitors. And traitors are people who sell out them country for anything because them not no loyalty. Their law is just like Judas. Like how Judas sold out Jesus a third piece of silver. That's how these people operate. But most Jamaicans, because people so busy, most Jamaicans, they're just all about entertainment. That's why we say over here, say it's not for the goldfishes. Because we know say after 5 seconds, them start scratch them head, or reached it yet, and done, you're too long. We tell you already, say over here, say it's not for goldfishes, You just have to change people's lives, hearts, mind and soul. And we want to change the country, we want it back from these people. We don't realize what is happening, I wonder if you guys saw what happened at the Independence Gala celebration. Did you see the parading of criminal? A man have convict for a crime, The only person that was missing from it, was George Pang. One of the men who was responsible for the death of 144 people at Eventide and Gold Street Massacre. One could have cussed till in a bus. Me, born and grow at Jonestown, a decimate neighbor string cut and concrete and raise a concrete jungle. So I could have chat. I don't care who no like me. Me not do thing because I want nobody to like me. And my country more. So if you look and know the enemies, Spragga Benz are one of them. Yeah, Spragga Benz are one of our enemy to our Jamaican people. Yeah man. Anything where you see these people support is the destruction of the Jamaican people. The poor, the J, you understand? And all of these people. See them right there. So what you go with this now? We just show you now, say the Maroons are our enemies. Them still our enemies here. And them have support from the enemy of the Jamaican people. The PMP criminal organization. Why you think Mark Golden is friends? Remember saying Mark Golden, it's not Mark Golden, it's not a Jamaican, whether by birth or naturalization. The man is not Jamaican. So you're going to hear, yeah man, we're going to let you hear from a woman, one of Richard Currie's cousins, from a compound that I see in place. You're going to hear some shocking things. We have heard them before, but because the Maroon is a kind of tight-knit community, and you're going to learn something about Vybz Kartel's mother today too. And you're going to understand why everything come full circle. If you believe in a conspiracy, I just saw it go. But if you don't believe in it, I just saw it go too. And everybody we can see, you know. Marcus Garvey say every black person and every black person is African, you know. Some of them Marcus Garvey say you have to just leave them because they're an enemy of the black people. So and every person because them black mean to say them are Africans. Remember saying, you know, are these people, you know, look, you know, these are the people, you know, who kill with national, who kill with great grand uncle, you know, Taki, you know, and put him head on a pike for the British Empire, you know. And are these people up there with these people, you know. So when I celebrate Protege, Spragabens and all of these guys, we support the Maroons. And guess what? The Marlies them support, the same Marlies them support Spragabens. So that makes sense too, you know. When time of them enslave Cedella Marley ancestors. Spragabens are criminal, you know. When I say no allegedly, you know. Because we have things upon him when him commit crime. We know, you understand what I'm saying? We have so much dirt upon him and them thing, but boy, it's like so many things that's happening. Him are one of them who support Chief Currie. And you know, so Spragabens is nothing that is a law and order. Period. Full stop. Criminals. And it we are trying to read out our society and just realize where these people group up against us, the law-abiding citizens. And then it seemed like we don't have a voice, and them have a like voice because of them got a lot of attention from the media. And when others speak up, you're dead. How many times you can't kill the truth? You can't kill the truth. So them still are enemy. The Maroons are still the enemies of the Jamaican people. Some of them. But especially this brother named Chief Currie. But you're going to hear from him cousin and she attack. She's talking. And you're going to hear for yourself. You know, say we are Jamaican, you know. So Jamaican people, wake up. The truth about the Maroons and taxation. Did you know that the Maroons who collaborated with our enemies during slavery, the British, do not pay taxes in Jamaica? Let me repeat that, you know. Did you know that the Maroons who collaborated with our enemies, the British during slavery, do not pay taxes in Jamaica? So imagine the same people them help to oppress our ancestors in our country. And them now, remember say how we fight, forget it, you know. Them fight with the people them for keep we oppressing, you know. And at them in the country down and them now pay taxes, whilst we, the people who fight for this land, our ancestors, have to pay taxes to them live. You know, say something wrong. And then now we have a big belly white guy. We're born in England. Look what the guy wants to say. Baby Trump no born in Jamaica. When could have ball blood a PP in a PMP criminal organization. We're close to him, tell me. We don't want to know a person's name. We can't do that. How do we do that? We protect with confidential sources. We have informants everywhere. People tell we things. You understand? Or you think we know about all some former commissioner of police? You think say we just a magic it come by? I don't say it go. Yes. You read that correctly. We just said them not pay taxes. The very people who betray us and play a role in the death of our heroic ancestor, our great grand uncle. Because the whole are we related. Taki, who fought for the small freedom we enjoy today. Because we're still not free, you know. We're not independent as a people, you know, as black people in Jamaica, you know. We're still under bondage from the same people that were enslaved, you know. It's a big belly white man, you know. Hey, look, you saw the difference. I'm showing on a fool. Look from Barbados where Rihanna come from. Look how them just smooth and become a republic. No problem, because everyone there in a Barbados want to be free from the British Empire. But we have a big belly white guy. Baby Chump, who no born a Jamaica, can put the spoke in it, and all of them in a PMP criminal organization afraid of a foreigner, because him white. And only because them afraid of him, because the whole of them licky because them is a criminal organization. What's in it for me? And you see what is happening over there with Ugly Some, and the whole of them now, everything start crumble because them no love Jamaica, them are not patriot. Remember, say these ICM people will get money and give people them $100 for demonstrate against them own country. Patriots not do that. And yet still I say, boy, we over here saying we are asleep and we are liberate and we are this. We're not liberate, we are patriot. As we say, one this is something a little bit better than the other. That's all we are say. We can't allow the other one to take back because them are hand we over back to the slave traders. The same people them are enslaved. Remember say when we visa figure England, you know. And them have this man, Chief Currie down there, along with Mark Golding. And then you have the man where I'll kill a dog. And I say, boy, if you rape women, man, if you's gonna rape them, you know, apologize to that. Informer for dead, you know, apologize to that. Everything that is destructive to destroy black lives, that is what these people is all about. I want to understand, I want to get it now on the ticket. Nobody no love we, you know. We don't realize that, you know, all I want people from Jungle and Jonestown and all about. You know, say this white man I love way. You know, so a man though. Who no love more? Who no love Mark Golding or Bogle? Who come from, who born at 51 Maya Street, Jonestown? A Mark Golding born there, a Bogle born there, a Icon. And we not talk about no alleged. Remember say a beanie man behind the killing of him. And you saw Mark Golding though, I stick it in on the finger, in middle finger, and I give away, you know. And give this and nominate the Rear Admiral, Timan, beanie man, for National Award, for kill the man. And only him alone him kill. A whole part of people. And as all a man, somebody were close to, boy, I'm not sure. Somebody were close to Bounty Killer say, boy, hey, supporter, I hope you're being a man. I don't believe in them things, you know. I hope you're being a man, hope you're a because remember saying, you know, Kartel, but all kind of people will team up with Beanie Man against Bounty Killer for kill him career. And him, man, when I go call the artist name, a man will know him good and know him. I say, boy, I don't believe in them things. They say, I hope you're over Bounty Killer. You understand? Yeah, and we can tell it too. We not digress because everything coming, you understand? Because I remember saying support them too, you know. Boy, the thing, hey, Jamaica, may I tell you, say, it make your head spin. What the hell is happening in our country? Oh, we reached a point here. You understand? So the little freedom, so is that little freedom we are enjoying in Jamaica, you know? And they are exempt from taxation. So this grave injustice that need to be addressed. So prepare yourself for some shocking revelation about Chief Richard Currie and his father. So Marva, a member of his own family, will share the truth about his actions and character. Her testimony is vital. Misunderstanding the correct dynamics within the Maroon community and their impact on our society. So the dark side of the Maroon icons, you know, once you heard Marva's story, yeah, we will expose the criminal connection involving two of our well-known reggae artists or dancehall artists, Vybz Kartel and Buju Banton, and them connection with the Maroons. These artists, yeah man, Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel are my cousin by blood. First and I know that. Their Maroon heritage of dark secret that must be revealed. And we're now going further. Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel are blood cousin. Through Vybz Kartel mother. You understand? We're now go down there, you know. So we want you to listen. And this is one of Vybz Kartel cousin and Buju Banton cousin. Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel, a family by blood. All of the Maroon them are one people for the one them from a compound. Family, I just, may I tell you, hey, so you watch, you listen, and you decide. Just listen to Marva, because you're going to hear some riveting things.
Yes, God know how long? You returned to Jamaica maybe 3 weeks ago. How many days you stayed there? 2 days, 3 days? Huh? Your mother, who is in Bexarium, I, Marva Watson, have to financially supporting her. I, Marva Watson Spence, hire a full-time caregiver to provide care, and not even $1. You nor Michelle don't partake in it. Me can't see with Camille and Patrick. You know what I'm saying? Me can't see with them. But one thing me know say, if $1 Patrick have, he might give him mother hit. Me know him inside out. And we plant food and bring food to him mom. Me know say Camila run a little shop out of my house and she will give her mother anything she have to. So me know them a help. But no can't test me, you know. Cause me is in America. I'm a workaholic. Up to this morning, me get up and go to work already. Go make me dollars. You know what I'm saying? Because me know how to hustle. This is America. Me not sit around and make nobody think say me go up on system. The system is not for this girl. I pull my weight in this country and I work every dime I have. You know what I'm saying? And if God give me the privilege to bless somebody, I will bless them. And this is why I'm blessing Nardia and her boys. None of you can talk to me. None of you. And I said, Chief Richard Currie, you can't act naive. Me used to wash it off for you. Me know how vindictive you are from morning, from your little bit. Lisa Currie, you see how you walk funny? Blame your mother for that. From your little bit, you have that problem with your leg. And I always tell your mother to bring you to the doctor and to find out what's wrong with you. And she never done that. I was shocked when I see how you walk 6th of January. You know what I'm saying? As I said, I'm a mother now. I have 2 beautiful children, Devin and Allison, who I love to death. You know what I'm saying? Even them begging me not to do this to just make uno go on. But no, I don't believe in nonsense. You guys need to stop it. Chief Currie, if you not stop it, I gotta go up on Facebook and shame you till you're tired. You will step down. And if Lauren Currie afraid to draw you out of my house, me come back down there and draw you out of it myself. Let you tell me to do it. And see if I don't pull you out of there. Coming afraid of you. Go pull your gun. Go pull your gun because you have one also carrying around on you. I felt it in your waist last year, June, when I was down there. Alright? You hug me up and I write on your gun in your waist, my hand was. Kevin Baker, who them killed down in Black over there. Since I'm in Jamaica, I understand it's scandal kill him. Come kill me in a scandal. Any day you think you're bad, come a break a house, come bust some shot. Me know say you're a gunman. No tell me say you're a gunman. Make me know say you're a gunman. And you will see how me get the Jamaica Defense Force on your ass. You hear me? You can't even stand up straight. You're a criminal, you're a thief. Tamika, you should be ashamed of yourself. Huh? Look at you. Look at you. You allow your boyfriend to rape your niece. I true you know me did want to tear out your hair the day when the fear stand up in front of me. Eh? I did want to rip you apart. You're a nasty dirty girl, you know, see you withered away like snail. Look at Avian Burns, a little boy like that where you climb on. Little did you know everybody say, yeah, fuck Chief Richard Currie also. That's why my wife left him. One is a nasty set of dirty bungle. Do I care what I say just now? No, I don't. Because you all have it coming for a long time. Maroons of the world and people of the world, do not give a compound town help. Do not send money into a compound town into Chief hand to help these novices. Let them figure it out for themselves. Or let Chief teach them how to fish. You guys are a loser. You guys are a drug dealer. You are a gun dealer. Growing up, these little kids in a compound town make they think what you guys are doing is right. Akila, I understand you have some little boys running around the street. My next stop is to the Children Advocate Service. I already pay somebody to video anytime they see the kids on the street. I will definitely make the Jamaica child take them away from you because you're not a mother. You walk around, you make mischief. You can't even buy sugar to feed your children. Go to Santa Cruz and get a job. I went on to Santa Cruz and I was going from store to store and I asked them, are you hiring? Because I wanted to hear the respond. And most of them need people to work. And you guys sit up there on the monument looking down in Bad Rock waiting to see buses coming up with tourists so one can tell lies and feed off the tourists. I appeal to the people in the world, do not give Richard Currie any form of funding. Do not give him any form of funding to help the people of a compound town. There are some useless people, they're worthless people, they're novices, they're gun dealers, Do not support slackness. And again, Prime Minister Holness, I plead to you, sir, you need to send police and soldier in a compound town to invade from house to house. You definitely will find some gun there. Because everybody, the only one who doesn't have a gun is the baby and the breast. They all have guns that's not even registered.
Yeah, so you hear that for yourself. Yeah, you know, that's Maroon that's spilling some things here about your favorite chief and traitors to black people, Chief Currie. So you heard about Chief Currie and Chief Currie's father. You know, he was a big time, you know, him no ram for trouble little pitney. Yes, I hear the woman say, boy, and she had 13 and she pull a knife on him and find that him no trouble her. But don't go that now. So as we continue, we continue the journey, you know, so you're going to learn some things now. That all of our artists, them, the Jamaican artists, them support the Maroons. You know them are traitors. Because remember that the Maroons, well, sure, yeah. But the only thing what them have in common with the Maroons is criminality. Yes, Chief Richard Currie. So as you hear the lady says, what she's saying is not, she's speaking the truth. So it's time now for us as Jamaica, stop having, look up to these people. Maroons are not our friends, they were always our enemies. We must not have any sympathy, compassion or empathy for these people. Just look at which organization they align themselves with. Everything that is the destruction of the black people in Jamaica. Yes, the PMP criminal organization. We just say one is just a little bit better than the other. And we say all Jamaica need is a leader. We're not a leader right now, but we can't use the big belly white guy from England who want to keep in a bondage under the British monarch. So Richard Currie, that I Maroon chief, along with the collaborators and enemies of our people, the British Empire, in which Mark Baby Trump Golden represent. Same guy the gala in him, not Jamaican colour in him, we are British flag, red, white and blue. But most of the tune are dumb. But me not talk who are listening, me talk the ones that we are listening and understand. You don't realize, you don't understand that thing when you symbolism. Yeah, you don't understand symbolism. This man is not Jamaican. Fraud, imposter, poster, biggest fraud ever. But because of no licky, it's easy for people to scam on and con on. Let's go on 100 US. Yeah, that's what them do. And they march against Jamaica in America. And you never see American march. No matter what is happening in America, you'll never see Americans living in Jamaica march against America at Jamaica in front of the Jamaican embassy against them one country. But because we want a traitor, licky, losers, as you hear the woman says, socialists, wanga God. Yeah, so, alright now. So you look at Busta Rhymes. Yeah, you know, say Busta Rhymes is that I have Jamaican connection. And whether or not you want to believe it, you know, it is said that Busta Rhymes is one of the biggest rear admiral in America, in the rap music, whether or not you want to believe it. Yes. Busta Rhymes is the first rapper where we wear frack. Some people that call it dress, we call it frack. Yeah, but just up in a frack and him wig and makeup on them thing, the big ugly man. You understand? And him that on the frog. That are before the frog, before him swell. You understand? Vybz Kartel. And you see all of the image them. If you had listened to if you have been to the website and you will see the images them. I haven't been to it because the photos that I had received, I told people don't send them to me because it is so disgusting. All of the tattoo them on Vybz Kartel hands match with the photograph them. And him take them, you know. Nobody couldn't take no picture of a man in a body. I turn people in a round wall. Women and men. Lisa. Boy, I tell them, I don't know how them people are doing it, you know. But see man Busta Rhymes. So when we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel first told the world that this man was a rear admiral, what? We get a taxi, we had settings to make up views. No, boy, it's fear crickets now because them hear it now from someone else who confirm what we have been saying all along. when I make up things to get views, we just tell you the truth. I just want back a country, you know. And when we say we just want a leader, I say, yeah, Jamaica need a leader. We don't have any leader right now. We have misleaders. People just want power. And as we said before them thing there, yeah, we just wait and see what happens after the next election. After the next election, we want them for, because them see when we tell about term, you know, because we don't want a guy feel like say, him want to be, no, him want to stay there till him dead in all wheelchair. We don't want a guy that talks say a 2-term, a man for the 2-term and go on like an American president. No, we not hear him say nothing about it, because we want them to go on, you know, because them help destroy the country too. I promote criminality. I hug up criminal and murderers and parade them like Michael Manley. So the man a leader either. You understand? So, moving on. So you have heard from Marva's story. And so, and she tell about the criminal connection them have the alleged criminal connection of Chief Richard Currie. She tell you him have illegal gun. Long time we are here that say them have a whole, say, alright, even all this gunman, this most wanted man, that I want a place where the wanted men them hide in a Jamaica now. A compound. So them are enemy of state, see me. They are enemy of black people, you know. Cause I remember say black people are the majority in a Jamaica. And they are just a tiny fraction of the population. So anything if we destroy Jamaica, they are for it. Remember said they were along with the oppressors, you know. Oppress our ancestors. Them kill one of our greatest era. Who still up to now then be bestowing the era award on him. Taki. You understand? So two of our well-known reggae dancehall and reggae artists, Vybz, Kartel and Buju Banton, these artists are cousins by blood, based on information received and obtained. We soon tell you. Yeah, you understand? We're not going to talk about, we're not going to Buju Banton family line and all them things. Because you know, so, we not dig certain kind of people. People, you know, and if you notice, when you look behind them, is the amount of dead bodies behind these people. Yes. Destruction. Order of destruction. Death merchants. 2 Maroons. Yes. That's why I say, look here. I remember when I was growing, even when I was training school, there was a guy named Slow and he was Maroon. And I used to run him and say, oh, you're not a traitor, man. You're not enemy of our people. And some of my cadet them that didn't understand until when me tell them what my grandfather told me. You understand? That these are the people where, but you have to understand, you know. Anytime the oppressor get to write the history, them write it in favor of them. So that's why them put the Maroon in a good light for you as a black person, if you see them and idolize them, so that the Maroon are our enemy. Biggest enemy. Them did worse than the British, because them capture our ancestors and bring them back to the plantation. And let them help free way. So in time we are celebrate independence and not to be apartheid. You understand? We as Jamaicans and them things, we should have make for them life miserable. Not all of them, some of them, because some of them are good people. But we are taught the one them were aligned with the enemies, we destroy our country and still keep we in a bondage. That's why we not become a republic. But because the licky people them, I tell you man, the same people them, where did say boy, oh, Siaga a white man. No, hey, he's a man born in England. The licky people them run. Yeah, because on the feet, yeah, you understand what I'm saying? And the lies what them tell, you know, the Jamaicans them tell when them like a person. Yeah man, I set up Buju Banton and jail him. The man who dip on camera taste coke. And I say coke, yeah man, a good coke. This man, I want to say a rasta, the man ain't a rasta, the man is a rascal. But we still not done with him yet, you know. We're not done with you yet, you know, Buju, we are telling you, you know. Because we have something else coming. Yeah man, we know say you have only a tour and you have people them send things and about say we're bad man. Yes, we're bad man against people. Yeah, of course. We're bad man against people who want to destroy with people. We are sell with people them coke and I kill with people and kill people, rob them. You understand? Sebastian and even Gilly Priest and his son and others too. And try to kill Alana. Try to kill all your daughter. Try to kill Alana brother. You think we forget? We don't forget you. I'd see it in the man. And then but you don't know, say, as Marcus gave, we say some black people you can't save them. So the one them will support you and I treat you like you're some deity and some righteous man. Fools. That's how it go on them thing there. You can't help. But the decent, ethical and honest black people, They won't support it because they know say he's a devil. And we say that without any apologies. So the ties that bind these individual Buju, Banton and Vybz Kartel are deeper and more complex than you might imagine. And then you ask say why this matters. We must understand these connections and their implications. The Maroons' tax exemption, their historical betrayal, and the criminal activities of prominent figures with Maroon heritage all paint a disturbing picture. We must confront these issues head-on to ensure a just, equitable future for all Jamaicans. So after we fight for our freedom in Jamaica, our ancestors, we are the one who have to pay tax people them will betray. Enough that need for change. That need for change. And then the same people, that may I show you now, how all the people them are idiot. The same people them who support Baby Trump. Now realize that I same people them will they keep our ancestors in bondage. And I only see him one. Just like how you see him have the licky dread. Not even dread, not even dread, him a rascal and them thing there. Claude Sinclair, the deportee. Yeah, Big Stone. Big Stone are the deportee, man. Yeah, and I talk about when they did young and this and that and all of them thing there. And I don't know make him go back in country and St. Mary or Enfield. You understand? Down there and them thing there. But hey, I show you that you know so the people them at Jonestown don't even like you. Cause you know all police. And you know come from there either. You understand? And I pretend and I talk nice and them thing there. You don't know them the people there, you know, just wait. Cause all them there they pray because they want you out of them community. Cause they have you say you're informer. A judge bang you live pan, you know. So just wait what happen on them thing there. You understand? So let's demand transparency and accountability from our leaders and influential figures. It's time to question why certain groups are exempt from contributing to our nation building while others bear the burden. Join us in seeking justice for Taki and for all our ancestors who fought for our freedom. So the reason why we say we're not a leader of Jamaica, we notice all of the people them that have done wrong to it and to destroy our country, we notice them put them on a pedestal. And the people them who contribute positive to Jamaica, we don't see them put them on a pedestal. None whatsoever. When I see them carousing them have up there and them thing there. You understand? And we know that Jamaicans did not know that the people who were working along with our enemies, the British during slavery, the Maroons, them do not pay taxes. They do not pay taxes. And we as Jamaicans have to pay taxes for these people who are a part of the black people's suffering. These are the same people who are aligned with the British Empire not to make Jamaica become a republic by using a big belly white guy named Baby Trump. Him not have no respect for Jamaica. You see man got the gala in a red, white and blue. He's not going on a Jamaican colours. But most I want to know to understand, because I want to understand symbolism. I show him a show. The British Empire say, boy, boss, because I'm on a MI6 spy, you know, boss, I am still here and you don't know, I still have them. I still have a PMP criminal organization, licky, beggy, wanga got lazy, socialistic, liars, criminal-minded, thieves, capture land specialists. In me and see me, them not change. And them still a fool see me. Because I make them a lad up. And no guy in the PMP criminal organization can talk to them and make because them not no sense. Them are organic robots and dummies. As you hear the woman and a call to the Prime Minister, in which him not going to do it, we tell him Marva, him not going to do it. Because he might, as we tell us, so we're not a leader of Jamaica. Mislead as we have. Reason why we are telling that he's not going to do it, and we can say it with confidence too. The community where we were born and raised, yes, Jonestown, Arnett Gardens, yeah, you see in a January gone, you saw many guns a guy named Rick Dick had sent to Jamaica, new M16s, and there were issues right after they had a conference at the Tony Spalding Stadium that are even less that are less than 3 chain from which part me grow. Yes, over there, sir. And the man them a fire the gun them down there. Illegal guns them. And up to now, that are January, you know. And we are talking right now at August. Up to now the security force are going to try to find them. Because you have a guy in the care about Jamaica, him going to pretend, you know. I'm telling you already, you know, I'm going to pretend say him love Jamaica, you know, because all of them going to do that for scrape. We just need somebody who's a patriot and a leader. We don't have that Jamaica. As we tell you already, so one is just a little bit better than the other. So you have a man who are the leader for the Jamaica Labour Party. Him original PMP. Then you have a big belly white guy who are the leader for the PMP. Him originally a Labour, right? But you know, say when it come on to power, people don't care, you know, them do anything to get power. By any means necessary. Decency, ethics, all of them things out of the window. As some people say, if it was the other way we are on, even Isaac Buchanan, that we are telling you now, PMP criminal organization, people tell you, even Isaac Buchanan could not be in a lawyer under Baby Trump if Baby Trump was Prime Minister. And them say, although he seems support criminality, he don't really support certain things. But he would do it because he want power. How we are going to fix Jamaica? If all of us come together as Jamaicans and stop seeing ourselves as PMP and labour rights. We know say the PMP and them have the low, we know say them have the criminal factory. That's how them produce criminals. I would say it without any apologies. You have a few, you have some the PMP them who are not criminals, but them can't talk against criminality, else them dead or them kick them out of the party. Like with them to Currie Cross. And the others, how dare you speak up against the machine when you know say we are a criminal organization. I just saw it go. So let's see what is going to happen with their compound town things. And yeah, so as we tell you already, say Chief Currie father, yeah, you know, allegedly, him try for Vybz Kartel mother, Auntie Lara and Aina Peddy. Yeah man, Chief Currie father try to rape them. Vybz Kartel uncle, granduncle, a man named Colonel Peddy. So that's why him support the. Him not telling us say my Maroon. So you saw them still powerful this year. You saw the Maroon them powerful and you just eat out of them and. You eat out of them and you don't even realize. So you eat right out of the enemy and. So no wonder why Vybz Kartel can destroy now and I'm sheep. He's a shepherd on a sheep. Vybz Kartel are not Jamaican. Vybz Kartel are Maroon. Vybz Kartel and Buju Banton are not Jamaicans. They are Maroons. Maroons were never our friends. So to destroy the people, you just use the enemies within. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.